G'day and welcome back to Down the Shed with Byron. Today I'm just sharing how to change out the spark plugs on a Mazda CX7. You'll need to remove the intercooler. I've just done a video on that as a general just to help others out. So if you want to have a quick look at that you can, otherwise I'll put a hyper mode in of how I do it. It's pretty straightforward, don't need too many tools to get to it. That's about it. Righto, moving into it. Tools you'll need just to change the spark plugs: 10mm socket and a 5/8 spark plug socket and a couple of extensions. But to get the intercooler off, you'll need a couple of other basic tools: 12mm socket, some pointy nose pliers, a couple of screwdrivers. Things to make it easier: trim removing tool, one of these flexi screwdriver socket drivers. I'd found they're handy for hose clamps. Once you have the intercooler out of the way, to disconnect these plugs, just push down on that tab and wriggle them back. With a 10mm socket, you'll be able to undo the coil packs. Once that bolt's out, you'll be able to wriggle the coil pack gently, pull it up, and it'll be out. With a 5/8 socket, spark plug socket, slide down the hole and undo your spark plugs.
If you've lost the little rubber section out of the spark plug socket, you can use the coil pack to pull the spark plugs back out.
Now I just got a cheap set off of eBay to replace it with. And here you have the old and the new. They've seen better days. Yeah, I'd advise changing these out every 80,000-90,000 Ks. The workshop manual does say every 100,000, but you're better off being safe than sorry. Grab the spark plug back into the socket and guide it back in. Just start it by hand so you know that it's not cross-threading. Then tighten up firm. Inspect your coil, making sure there's not much you can really look at unless something's broken or if it's cracked, etc. Reinstall. Replace the bolt, and then continue that with each spark plug.
Remember to reconnect your coil pack.
After you've completed all 4 spark plugs, reinstall your intercooler and should be good to go. Alright, hopefully this video helps you out, just giving you the heads up of what's involved. Take it easy, see everyone looking at you.